Okay, today, guys, I'm going to be going with the James Charles palette and also the Take Me to Brazil BH Cosmetics palette. We're going to go in with the two pink colors that I pointed at, and we're just going to go back and forth and blend. So I know it's been forever since I've done a makeup tutorial. It's actually been probably like 4 months because I was getting died out on it. It was just getting boring to me. But now I'm back at it for the festival season, music festival season, and I'm super hyped. So yeah, as you can see, I'm blending. We're gonna go in with the purple shade, the darker purple shades, excuse me, on both of the palettes. And honestly, like, I can truly say I did use both of the palettes. Like, I wasn't just showing like one or both because they both have those colors. Like, I truly was going in with both of them because I wanted the most pigment to come out of this look. I did actually get inspired by this girl. I need to tag her. I follow her, can't remember her name by heart, but on Instagram, and she inspired this look. Besides the glitter part, I did add that as extra, and then maybe I changed the under eye color. I'm not sure. But yeah, she definitely inspired the look. I'm gonna throw her name right here once I find it. Well, hopefully I find it on Instagram and maybe throw a picture of her. So we're just blending. After you blend the pink out, you're gonna blend the purple out. Don't do it too high up because you still want the pink to be showing, but then don't do the purple too low because you don't want it to get it mixed in with the other colors. If you have to go back and forth, then blend, keep blending. I blended a whole shitload. I had to cut it out because I was blending so damn much. So, it is what it is. But yeah, just keep blending the pinks and the purples to kind of smoke it out so that you're able to see it after you do the cut crease. And I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape. That was my throwback. I actually don't really use that anymore, to be honest with you. I did film this recently, but I use the Makeup Revolution concealer. I honestly prefer it over the Tarte Shape Tape. I know that's wild because I always used to rave about the Tarte Shape Tape, but now I'm just kind of like, no. And I found a more affordable alternative that's actually works, I feel like, even better for my skin because I do have dry skin. If you can look up in the camera, look up all in my face, I feel like you just see like texture to my skin, which I don't like right now. But it is what it is. So then you're just going to go in and keep blending the purple back and forth to, like I say, still get that look. Then you're going to go in like with those three blues that I pointed at. Once I did tap into the blues, I kind of like tapped it off on my makeup palette or whatever because it was like too much pigment. Like, that was super pigmented, and I was just trying to blend all of them. And it's honestly been a while since I've done a crazy makeup look like this or colorful makeup look. So yeah, I was trying to be careful. Then you're gonna go in with the neon green. I go in with the one from the BH Cosmetics palette and also from the James Charles palette. Just like I said, to give it the most pigmentation it can get because I wanted this look to be super bright and vibrant because, like I said, it is festival season. And yeah, I just want to be colorful, and I'm usually always colorful, at least with my makeup looks. Maybe my outfits, no, but yeah. So comment down below if you're going to any music festivals this upcoming what is it, spring slash summer. I'm going to three. I'm going to Jambalaya, to Rolling Loud, and to EDC Las Vegas. So yeah, so then we're gonna go in with those yellow colors. I know on the camera some of those didn't really look yellow, to be honest. They look kind of green, but I promise you they were yellow. And for some reason yellow is like one of the hardest colors to find that's like comes out pigmented and whatnot. And excuse the part, there's gonna be a part where I draw my eyeliner in and I kind of get the eyeliner, I think, on the yellow part, and I didn't peep that until I was done filming this video. And it's kind of hard to take off eyeliner from the yellow, so yeah, it kind of looks a little hurt. And excuse my eyebrows because I need to get them threaded. They're going through some things, and I'll probably get them threaded at the end of the month because that's when I start going to my festivals and whatnot. Well, in May, but getting prepared for it. So then you're just going to keep blending. You don't want it to be like straight lines. You want them all to like blend and intertwine with each other. I cannot speak English. Then you're going to go in the James Charles palette and get that highlighter color and put it on the inner corner of the eyes to just give it that pop. Like, we want to be glowing, shining, or whatever. So we're going to go in with that color and just try to make it pop as much as possible. I know the eye looks super gross when it's not done, but it looks so pretty. And like I said, I didn't add the black eyeliner yet, so yeah, don't judge. Then we're just gonna go in with the mascara. I think that one was kind of dry, to be honest. I couldn't find my good one, so yeah, it was kind of dry. So you know, but you don't really necessarily need a lot of mascara for eyelashes when you put eyelashes on. It's just kind of to get your shit right. Then I'm going in with the Bobbi Brown one because, like I said, the other one was super dry, which I don't appreciate, but you know, whatever. And then we're going in with my all-time favorite eyeliner, the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. This is a part I think where I messed up somewhere right there. It's either that eye or the other eye. I'm not sure. And yeah, I kind of get it on the yellow part, which frustrates me. Then we're gonna go in with the NYX Glitter Liquid Liner and Crystal, I think, or whatever. And we're just gonna get a little more creative because I didn't want to directly like copy off that girl. I wanted to kind of get inspiration, so I was like, you know what, let me mix it up a little bit and, you know, make it my flavor, be a little more extra. And ew, you could see it on the left side. Oh my goodness, I'm so embarrassed. But yeah, I didn't honestly peep that till after. And yeah, you're just gonna take your time, don't go too fast. I obviously sped this up in the video so it looks like I'm going super fast drawing the line out, but take your time because that glitter spreads. The more you open your eye, the more it spreads. And then I'm just fanning out my eyes so the glitter can dry, because once you open your eyelid, you're effed and it goes all over the place. So then I go back in with the yellow color because, like I said, I think I started noticing like, oh shit, I kind of messed up or whatnot. So I'm trying to like fix it, but obviously it's not letting me fix it. Then boom, girl, you have that cut of the wing. I like to use tape as like a little trick, you know, to get that precise cut even. And then I'm going under, like I said, with the Tarte Shape Tape to conceal. It's way too white, but you know, I've had it for a minute and I haven't used it, and I'm running out of my favorite one, and I'm kind of broke right now, so I'm like, you know what, you gotta do what you gotta do. And then you're going under with the eye with those like aqua colors. And then you're going to go with the Essence Smoky 2-in-1 liner. It's a white, like, gel eyeliner, I would say. And you're just going to do that to open and, like, brighten the eyes. A lot of people who usually have smaller eyes do that, which isn't really necessary for me because you see how huge my eyes are. But I just like that bam, you know, it's festival season, so why not? And my eyes kept watering for some reason, so excuse my lashes. Then, of course, you're going to do the bottom lashes. I was going to apply false bottom lashes, but I was too lazy, and I filmed this like at 1 at night or something ridiculous and stayed up that whole freaking night. So then we're going to contour, and we're going to go in the LA Girl Cosmetics, the concealer, and I think it's in Toast, I want to say. And honestly, I did too much. Like, I accidentally poured out too much, so I don't know what the hell was wrong with me. I think it was because it was late at night. I just didn't know what I was doing, and I put too much. Like, once I start blending, you're gonna see it just looks like too much, and I'm like, girl, what the fuck? But I think it's because I was tired. Like, look, my forehead, I was like, oh shit, I fucked up. But I was trying not to panic because I'm like, bitch, you already did your eyes. You gotta record this video. I haven't recorded video in forever. Like, actually, like, sit down, you know, in my room video. It's been more vlogs, to be honest with you, and like concerts and events and stuff like that. So I was trying to do this. But basically, you're just gonna blend. I really fucked up. This is a bad representation if you're new to my channel of me blending and trying to do my contour, but I really truly messed up. I don't know what the fuck was wrong with me. I think it was just late. So then I'm going back with the Tarte concealer to try to lighten it up because it's just too dark all over the place. So I'm basically trying to fix myself because usually I don't put that much concealer because I feel like there's no need for all of that. And then I feel like I just start looking more pasty once I do that. So I'm like, oh fuck. Once I look up at myself, I'm like, shit. But you know, we're trying to fix it. And then I think I also go in with the Morphe bronzer. That's my favorite bronzer, but you know, I was already pretty bronze for my face because I messed up. And I had to keep like hydrating my face with the Mario Badescu spray because for some reason my face has just been really dry. I'm tired of this dry ass face. So I had to keep on applying some type of spray to my face because it's been so dry. So then this is where we go in with the bronzer. We cute or whatever. Trying to fix myself even though I don't miss it. But it's cool or whatever. Okay, so then we're just blending it out, trying to get cute again, fixing it. Yeah, like I said, tell me what festivals. Is anybody going to a festival, you know? Okay, so I went in with this powder. It reminds me of a grandma. I swear it smells like somebody's granny. But that's like the cheapest powder I own. So I use the shit out of it. I've had that powder forever though, not gonna lie. So it's I'm pretty sure I need to get a new powder. But yeah, I do have the Laura Mercier, which is my favorite. But you know, a bitch ain't got money like that to be using that like all the time, like it's air spun. So I use it occasionally, and I knew I was gonna wipe the shit off right away. So I was like, And this is me trying to contour my nose. My nose doesn't really need contouring. I do really like my nose. I don't have any like complex with my nose. I really like it, but you know, I was trying to be extra snatched or whatnot, trying. But I didn't want to leave a stupid line on my face because I was already getting frustrated with how I was looking. So I don't know. It came out and I feel like still I could see the lines. But you know, whatever. I probably put more powder or something. And then we're going in with the Physicians Formula highlighter. What does it say? Iridescent. I freaking love their highlighters. I love their their powder contour, whatever. They smell so freaking good and they're super smooth. They just go on so pretty and not all cakey and like make your skin all textured and whatnot. I just love it so much. I was just putting it all over my face because I wanted to look like a glowy colorful festival unicorn and whatnot, and I was just blending up because I hate when I see not contour, highlight that's not blended and you can see it all over, and it's like, girl, blend to your forehead, blend to your forehead. Okay, so then yeah, we just highlighted everything, the cupid's bow, my chin, my face, my nose, etc. I mean, it's a festival look, so you have to be extra, almost like stage makeup, and then you're also gonna dip into that highlight and go underneath the brow bone to just be more extra, because why the fuck not? I mean, you already have a colorful as eyes, so why not be extra and add on? And I was honestly just freaking dipping my whole face into the highlighter. Then we're going in with the Urban Decay liner. I need to figure out the name of this damn lip liner because I can't remember it. I can actually see it. It's like a coralish color. I don't know if it comes off really like that on camera. It kind of doesn't. It almost looks like neon pink, but I swear it's coral. And then we're going to go in with this Milani liquid lip. And I really like Milani. It's just sometimes they can be super dry, but I really do like them. And honestly, I don't know what I was doing for this lip. I kind of just grabbed a lip liner and started doing something. So yeah, don't judge me because eventually it looks cute. But you know, I didn't know if I wanted something dramatic or whatnot. And then look at my stupid ass. I touched my fucking chin. And then I had to start cleaning up and concealing. And I go in with the I Love Serai. What is this called? Well, it's one of my favorite liquid lips from her that she came out with Dose of Color. It's so beautiful. I love it. I added it on the center of the lip, and then I keep fixing my face because I just keep messing up. I act like I don't know how to put makeup on, so I just keep going in with concealer, and then I go in with this Bobbi Brown gloss. I love it. It's just super fucking sticky, so do not drop that on yourself because it'll just be all over the place and you'll be stuck to everything, which is the only thing I don't like, but I love how it looks. It just gives that shine like damn. And then we're gonna take my weave out of the damn ponytail and fix myself up a little bit. My natural curls are coming back, bitch, so you know I'm getting summertime fine or whatever. Think we